Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Sade. So in today's video, I am going to be testing out a hair twisting tool. It's this one in particular, and it is by Conair, and it's called their Quick Twist. First, let me go ahead and take out the tool and just show you everything that it comes with. Okay, so here is the twisting tool, and it doesn't come with batteries. It requires 2 AA batteries, which I do have. So I put some batteries in it, and let me just show you real quick. And there's these 2 little side buttons that you push up, and I guess you put your hair through here and then close it, and that's how it'll grasp your hair. It also comes with this bag of like string and little hair ties, and also these little like hair clips. Moving on to the hairstyle, my plan is to do just 2 little twists in the front. So it's just gonna be a quick little demo, I guess, to see how this works. So first thing I'm gonna do is just part a little section here in the front. Clip this little half away. Ooh, doo-doo. I'm gonna start out with this side, and I'm going to spritz it with some water, detangle it a little bit. And I don't even know if I should add more product because it already has product. So I don't think I will. And then I'm just gonna split it, I guess, into 2 little sections here. And this hair is uneven, so I don't even know how this is gonna work because, I don't even know. I'll just go up to here for this side. Okay. And this one. I'll try to do the same. All right, so my hair is in it, and I'm gonna go ahead and start. All right, what the hell is it doing? Okay, so I probably should have read the instructions first. Ugh. Girl, what is you doing? Read all instructions before using. Okay, I get it now. Could probably make some finger coils with this thing, but all right, let's start all over. Now that I read the directions, I know what I'm supposed to do. See, read the direction, people. All right, so once you've twisted it, then you actually twist by hand. Oops, sorry. Yeah, in the direction of the arrow. So the arrow here, you twist in that direction. So that's what I was doing. But then my hair kind of came out, so that was not cool. I guess you just like, you're supposed to secure the end with the clip, which I'm not gonna do that. And I don't like how it looks at the roots, and that could be my fault because it's like all weird. I don't know. Let's try again. So here's my little twists, and I am not feeling them at all. I mean, they have potential to be cute, but what I should have done was first put them up with a little hairband and then twisted it. So I'm gonna try to do that now and see if it will still work. Oh my gosh. Oh. So I'm gonna try this one more time and hopefully I can get it right this time. Real talk though, look at this. That would be like a bomb coil out. All right. Okay, so now I'm just gonna twist them. I mean, it is kind of annoying that you have to twist it yourself because it's like, I might as well twist it myself. All right. So let me just do this one again real quick and I'll be back. All right, so I'm back and I did this twist. It was much quicker and I don't know, I feel like it looks much better if you put a hair tie first than just trying to twist it. I like it. Definitely wouldn't use it for a twist out. I just don't think that it would work. But a coil out, now that, I might do a tutorial or try to see if I can do a coil out with this tool. I do actually like how the twist came out. This one, I actually hooked the hair lower down, and this one I think I did it like halfway, so you can kind of see where I just kind of twisted it myself versus the actual tool. But overall, I feel like it did a really good job. Like, these are super neat looking and super tight. I thought that they were just gonna unravel as soon as I unhooked them from the tool, but they didn't. So I'm actually impressed. In regards to the hairstyle, I don't think it looks bad. It still needs to dry, so there's that. But yeah, I mean, you know, it is what it is. I keep looking at it like, ooh, I don't know. I will have to say my first impressions, my thoughts on this Conair twisting tool. What is it called? Quick twist. I'd give it a thumbs up. It does what it's supposed to do and it does a really good job with it. Like, this looks really good. If you enjoyed watching this review, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. And while you're there, you might as well hit that subscribe button down below if you want to see more from me. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.